Oh, are we ready? Well, you're the director. You're supposed to tell me. What do they say in the movies, right? Camera, lights, action. Thanks for giving me the heads up. All right, are you ready? We are going to how to build a recession resilient business. This is step 9 and 10 of our 10 steps that we've given. If you've not seen any of the other ones, please go back and watch this playlist. This is powerful and you're not going to want to miss steps 9 and 10. Let's do it. Hello, tribe. You're only one video away from your breakthrough, and I'm believing it's going to be this video. We're going to finish up with steps 9 and 10 of how to build a recession-resilient business. These 10 steps are so powerful for you to get a hold of and start to work them, make changes, develop, and grow your business in low times as well as high times. And we're going to start off today with step number 9, and that is you want to determine what are your top 3 highest ticket services. Write them down on paper. What are the top 3 highest priced, highest ticket services that you offer in your salon or spa or physical therapy establishment, whatever service business that you are in. And we want to take those and we're going to determine something that's very important for being resilient and growing your business. Once you've listed your 3 top highest ticket services, you want to then take a good month. You don't want to take the month of April of 2020 because there was no sales, right? But pick a good month that you have a P&L on, that you know your sales data. And I want you to determine each of those 3 services, what was the percentage of your total revenue that came in, your total sales that came in, what was each one of those services as a percentage of the total. For instance, let's say you do weaves or extensions. And let's say for the month you brought in $20,000 in sales and the total extension business that you brought in was $5,000. So the extension business was 25% of your total services for the month. Determine that. Now you have 3 top ticket services, highest price services. You have the percentage of total monthly sales those services represent. And now you choose, what is the single one service that you make the most profit from? You got it? The one service, the highest ticket service that contributes the highest percentage of revenue is going to produce you the most profit. So, what do you do to be resilient during recessions, during low times in your business? You focus on promoting that service. That becomes part of your brand. What do you want to be known for? I'm going to tell you the number one mistake people make. We are out there, salons and service businesses alike, are out promoting everything. They're trying to say everything that they do. You go to a restaurant, they have all kinds of selections on the menu, don't they? But you know, some of the most successful food establishments have a focus on one thing that they're known for. What is Kentucky Fried Chicken known for? What is Subway known for? What is Starbucks known for? You go and look at some of the most successful franchises, chains, and food restaurants, and you're going to see that there is a single focus on what they represent. If you do that to your business, I assure you, my friend, you are going to be resilient, you're going to grow, you're going to be known for something, you're going to get a larger portion from your community of that service coming to your business. I've had clients in the past, they determined that in their business it was hair color. And they literally, when I worked with them and consulted with them, we changed their name, we changed their business cards, their tagline, their benefit line, their website, focusing on that one thing. And they showed tremendous, over a period of time, it didn't happen overnight, right? I mean, what does? But over months, half a year, 18 months, we started to get traction that they were now starting to become known for the hair color place. One salon told me that all of a sudden what happened to them was they were doing so much hair color that they elevated the pricing on cuts and drove some of that cut business away, like in the form of children, in the form of men. And when they left, they opened up space that was automatically filled up with hair color business, a high ticket, high profit service. That'll help your resiliency. All right, number 10. This is the final of the 10 on how to build a recession resilient business. Number 10 is retail stores. That's right. I didn't say retail. I said retail stores. I'm going to show you what I have done over so many years, probably since 1991 or 92. I have been out building retail stores in salons throughout America, actually in Canada as well. And I take their reception area, 20% of usually the total square footage, and we literally build a store. We line the walls with shelving, bring in multiple product lines, stock it, make it look like a beauty store, and their sales have increased, I can't tell you, 10 times, 50x, 100x. I have one client, 10,000 square feet, put in their whole front area, put in a 3,300 square foot store. And at their peak, they hit $4.9 million a year in retail business. Now, let me share with you. In the salon industry, retail is 6 times more profitable than services. If you want to be resilient, you have to take advantage of the opportunity in not only high-ticket services, but the profitability of retail, since it's 6 times more profitable than services, for you to be able to have the cash flow, do some of the first and second step that we mentioned in this playlist, and you are going to have a healthy, prosperous, growing business, and you're going to rise up and be so thankful that you made these changes. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up. I hope you, and I invite you to join the tribe and subscribe. Ding the notification bell to be notified of all upcoming videos, and let's go on to another exciting subject.